Hi, I'm Andrew Clacy from Australian Mobile Marketing and AustralianLocalMarketing.com. And today, in this special webinar, I hope to give you some ideas on how mobile marketing works and how you can implement it into your business. So without further ado, we'll get straight into it, and it is being recorded for those latecomers. So what is mobile marketing? There's basically four major areas of mobile marketing: SEO, messaging, advertising, and apps. People use their mobile phones 5 times more than their computers to search for your business. So the question you've got to ask, are you reaching them from there? Are you being found on mobile phones? The future really in advertising is mobile. In a recent mobile internet report, Morgan Stanley projects that mobile browsing will outpace desktop-based access within 3 to 5 years. So how can your business benefit from mobile marketing? So you can increase customer loyalty, generate more revenue, increase brand awareness, boost website traffic, boost retail traffic, get phone calls and quotes, and build lists. There's many things you can benefit from. But before we get right into mobile marketing, let's have an understanding of how smartphone users use smartphones. And once you understand that, you'll understand why you've got to go mobile. 44% read reviews, 48% redeem and get coupons, 49% of smartphone users compare prices, 54% find a retailer or get a quote or find a service, 74% buy from phone search, and this is a big one, 95% look for local information. 60% of users actually make $100,000 or more a year, so quite a lot of them are cashed up to use local services, so bear that in mind. But one stat that doesn't really make sense to me is 79% of businesses still do not have a mobile website. So where to start? Let's just talk about mobile SEO. It's similar to normal SEO, and that is really getting your mobile website found in mobile search, like Google mobile search. Making sure you're optimized for mobile. So you've got a mobile website, and you want to be easily found when people are searching on the move. For instance, if you've got a location-based business, you've got a business such as a taxi driver, you're a doctor, a restaurant, accommodation, locksmith, plumber, all those sorts of cafes, all those sorts of businesses. People are out and about, entertainment. They're searching while they're out and about, so make sure that you are found. But there's a few challenges. The phone's a small screen, so you've got to make sure the mobile website fits in the full dimensions. How does it look like on the screen? If it's not optimized, searchers won't bother. They'll have to pinch and scroll, and it'd be hard to find any information. And if you've got a Flash website, forget it. Smartphones do not read Flash. This is typically what a Flash website looks like on a mobile phone. This is what a simplified version looks like, where touch to call, there's about us, areas covered, contact form. It's endless. You can also have directions. You can put videos in there so people can get to know you, quotes, coupons. It's endless. So you should really create a mobile website, or get Australian Mobile Marketing and create you one. It's really a simplified version of your existing site, same colours, the key information, make it easy to access. The number one thing you really need is tap to call, touch to call, and that means that people will just touch the number and ring your business. You can have directions, as we said, and coupons and everything else like that inside this mobile website as well. So another thing you can do is SMS messaging. 72% of mobile phone users send or receive 664 texts each month, and considering they only make 176 phone calls during that same period of time, and SMS marketing has the highest open read rates of any digital marketing channel. It beats email marketing. 33% of email addresses change on a yearly basis, but people are keeping their mobile numbers or cell numbers for life. But don't people hate getting texts, messages from business? Well, 97% of all SMS marketing texts are opened by the recipients within the first 4 minutes. People actually prefer to receive coupons via text message. And here's an example of somebody receiving a coupon via text message, just so you know what that looks like. But you got to remember, you got to get permission and provide value. You got to do it ethically and legally. It's a purely permission-based marketing. You've got to offer an incentive for people to opt into your list. Deliver coupons and rewards immediately and frequently. Mobile advertising. Now, there's a 251 growth in mobile impressions over the last year, but hugely, there's a 488% growth in smartphone impressions in the last year, and it's getting bigger. More and more people are getting rid of their old bricks and turning to smartphones. And here's what mobile advertising looks like. You can see the Google ad, and you can actually tap that number and call it straight away. And that's something that we set up for businesses. So if you've got a business where you get quotes and stuff like that, this is a really great solution. So let's talk about some strategies. Just be realistic about what to expect. Major purchases aren't necessarily going to happen, but what can happen? You can make a phone call, get quotes, provide customer service. People can opt into a list. They can download an app. You can see, for example, on the right, the only thing on this particular site is touch to call. So it's only one thing to do, so it makes it pretty easy for people to communicate. They'll tap their business and call the number. There's many types of mobile ads, but the most popular is really Google's ad platform, and it works really well. It's as simple as placing a normal ad online ad, but just make sure that your ad is designed for mobile in mind, and really think through the response that you expect. Is it a quote? Is it a free service? Is it a coupon? What's the reason? Mobile apps. You can see here that there's been a massive increase in app downloads and revenue, and the main key players are Android, Apple, and BlackBerry. But a mobile app isn't really suited to every single business. People have a lot of apps already, and there's a little bit of app fatigue going in, but your app's got to add unique value if you have it. Here's some examples. There's a special offer app, a loyalty program app, calculator app, game and entertainment app, and a productivity app. 4 types of mobile marketing, once again: SEO, SMS, advertising, and apps. The future of the web is tied to smartphones and other mobile devices, so really, stay relevant. Let's have a look how a mobile marketing plan can actually look like for your mobile website. You can promote your mobile website via your Facebook page, by AdMobi, by Google Ads, QR codes, search ads, which basically the same. Promotion, don't forget to promote your mobile phone inside your business, posters, etc. Advertise your mobile phone on your normal website. Say, we're mobile phone friendly, view us on your mobile today. Advertise on buildings, or provide maps, and you can also have it linked to directories such as True Local. People can come into your business, and as I showed you before, people can actually bypass your phone and call your business straight away, which is a really good solution. So what's a QR code? It's basically a chance to scan this code. Will take you directly to a page. It can take you to your Facebook page, get people to like you, or to a review site so people can do a review. Let's show you how that might look. For example, this site, this QR, and this is only an example, but this QR code can be scanned on a person's mobile and taken directly to a place such as True Local to do a review, or Google Places. And of course Google Places is mobile optimized, so it's a great way to build loyalty and create flyers. And of course these QR codes can be screen printed on t-shirts, put on business cards, put on vans, yellow pages, flyers, invoices. The sky's the limit. Point of sale material, make sure you use it. Now let's quickly turn our attention to mobile list building, because to me it's a real important thing to do. You can have a mobile website, plus you can also have mobile ads running to a page such as this, where you offer something. In this case it's a free video. It could also be a coupon, or a free consultation or something. So in this case they're going to get a mobile video, which is done in the dimensions by putting their name and email, plus they're subscribing to an email list, so you can email people. Now the open rates aren't as good as SMS messaging, but it's actually easier to set up and a little bit cheaper to run. And in Australia it's a little bit harder to get a really good SMS platform. It's not impossible, but that's a really good solution. And once you've got building a list and your database, you can communicate value with your emails, keep sending messages through and talking, put videos in, and all sorts of things. So once you've got a list, the sky's the limit. You can talk about your open hours, what's going on in your business, and include many facets. So it's a really important thing to consider. So our mobile services that we do is we do mobile websites for business. We create apps. We set up mobile list building for business. We do mobile setup for ads and management, of course, and we do also management for normal PC based ads. We set up QR code strategies such as that flyer. We've got some really good ones for travel and service-based business as well. But our consultations are free for the first 15 minutes, so give us a call on 0415 326634, and we'll talk you through what you can do in your business that's mobile, because it's really important to be mobile ready to be set up and ready to go. We also, if we do a mobile website, we'll create it so it's got the same look, the same colors. We use your logo, and quite often, if people are after some normal SEO or a new website, we'll do both. We'll set up the website and we'll set up the mobile site at the same time, so we can do both as well. So feel free to give us a call and contact us at AustralianMobileMarketing.com, AustralianLocalMarketing.com, and if this has helped you, feel free to pass this webinar on to somebody else and that might help them. Alright, have a great day.